in a recent survey, it was found that 2 out of 5 salespeople reported that they struggled with mental health. They struggle with their mental health, and depression and anxiety uh, affects their productivity, reducing the intellectual performance by 35% of the time. So this is what happens when there is an anxiety and depression all the time. And in sales and marketing functions, as we all know that there is a lot of pressure and there is a lot of anxiety, as well as people become depressed as well. So when salespeople start to become anxious or depressed, their sales performance also suffers. So the vicious cycle continues. The performance suffers, and again the anxiety, the depression continues. So it goes like that. So L by R program, that is Lead Your Reviews program, aims to help the sales guys as well as marketing guys to reduce their stress levels and become more productive uh, in their domain. Okay, so sales reviews are often a nightmare for all of us. Even I have been in sales, I have been in marketing, so I know how the reviews are. They really cause a lot of anxiety and a lot of stress in all the people. So anxiety is associated with the review. There is loads of formats to be filled up, as well as the fear of calculation errors in those formats. So if there is a calculation error, and if the error is presented in front of the reviewing team, then it becomes a real problem for the sales manager. So analysis of performance, which is headquarter wise as well as product wise. Then input utilization status, that also you need to fill up. Output from CRM doctors. So there are various formats which you need to fill up continuously, and there are certain formats which you need to fill up every week. There are certain formats which you need to fill up every day. There are certain formats which you need to fill up at the end of the month after the sales closing, and the real load comes at the after the sales closing, where you have to spend 6 to 7 hours only in filling up the formats. So territory wise, product wise action plan also you will have to prepare after preparing the format and analyzing the data, right? And all these need to be prepared overnight, which we all know, right? So this leads to anxiety and followed by health issues in all of us. So what is in there in the Lead Your Reviews program? So this is the one and only 6-step program that will increase your reviewing as well as leadership skills. So step 1 is master your formats, which is the first course of this particular program. Master your formats will help you to prepare the formats in less than 30 minutes as against 6 to 7 hours. So it will increase your productivity dramatically, and ultimately it will help you in a better performance. And then in course 2 we will be covering how to have a perfect homework, planning the effective agenda of your review program, time management, because reviews usually get extended till late night. So how to stick to the time and how you manage the time. Team motivation tools, because typically sales reviews usually focus on the low performing headquarters or low performing products, and there is a lot of what you say scolding and all happens. So how to keep the motivation levels high of your team members, that also is important while having a review. Then how to generate strategic value out of your review programs. So course 1 is master your formats, as we all know now. So yeah, so master your formats, that is MYF, is the first course. In the first session of this course, so it will have 4 sessions. In the first session, it will help you to quickly organize data from different files, from different sheets, and enables you to arrive at sum as well as growth, percentage achievement, average sales, the territories which are above average, the territories which are below average, and also labeling those territories or products as per their contribution. And this all can be achieved within 1 minute of time, okay, which normally takes around the feedback which I have received from salespeople is it takes around an hour or 2 hours to prepare this kind of data. Then what is there in session 2? So here you will learn to avoid putting the formulas again and again. So whenever you are preparing the format, you don't have to put the formula again and again. Okay. So you will have to work on the formula only once, and then the same formula will continue for the entire year. And as you fill up the data, automatically the the output will be generated, and you can easily take out the reports so that you get more time in analyzing as well as preparing the action plan, right? And then third session will give us the tools to select a specific territory or product wise, SKU wise also, and for analysis that you want to review a particular territory or see the data of a particular territory. How do you see that? And what are the advanced tools which are available to review a specific SKU or a specific brand or a specific territory performance? As well as you can also arrange the data in ascending or descending formats or in different formats. That we will cover in the third session. In the fourth session, it will definitely help you in preparing the charts in the sense the graphs, so whenever the time is less, then the graphs help you to analyze the data as well as interpret the data effectively. And even the people who are sitting for the review, it is easy for them to understand if the data is given in the graphical format. So in this fourth session, we will learn how to prepare different types of charts, how to prepare a single chart having two different data sets. Suppose you have unit wise data as well as value wise data, how to put unit wise as well as value wise data in the same graph. That we will cover in this particular session. So this is a particular link which will take you to the demo. Okay, demo. I have created one small demo that how you can save your time, and it gets calculated very easily. So that I will give you in the chat box after completing the presentation. So what are the value added tools for you? There is a free ebook on Excel basics. Okay, because all of us work on Excel formats only. So basics of Excel are explained in this ebook, which will be free for you. Then there will be practice workbook for every session. Okay, whatever things we are covering, you will get the practice workbook for that, so that you can, whenever you are viewing it, you can simultaneously practice on the same sheet that is being presented in the session, so that it is easy to correlate the things. Then once you enroll for the program, then you get immediate, instant and lifetime access to all the sessions for practicing and to become master of your formats. There are bonus modules. Main modules are there, but which I have explained, the 4 main modules, but there are bonus modules as well, which are worth 999 rupees, which are absolutely free along with this. And there will be a certificate of course completion, which will be given within 7 days of completing the course and passing the test. So there will be a small test of say around 10 minutes, which will be conducted, in which whichever functions are told to you to use, and once you effectively use those functions, then you pass the test. And there will be hand holding for 6 months consistently, so that whenever you are facing any challenge with your formats, then I will be there to help you out online to get your formats easy for you. And what are the benefits for you ultimately? So there are 0 chances of error. Whenever we are doing the things manually, then there are big chances of errors, and these errors can damage our impression in front of or image in front of our entire team. So that gets nullified. So there is 0 chance of error because it is all formula driven. Then saving time, most important thing. as you are spending 6 to 7 hours after every sales closing, and you are not having enough sleep, and your day is extended till late night or midnight or even beyond that to prepare the format, then you save a lot of time there. So you can finish off all the data within just 30 minutes of your time, and then you get more time to analyze as well as preparing the action plan for your team members. And of course, more time will be available for you to spend with your family members also, because now your family members are used to this kind of thing, that once the sales closing is over, he is going to spend the entire night in preparing for reviews. So that definitely gets minimized. And naturally, there will be reduced stress and anxiety levels, since you are 100% sure that whatever data you have prepared is 100% error free, and also you are saving the time. Then your stress levels as well as the anxiety levels come down drastically, and naturally your health will be improved and you will have a peaceful mental status. I'd like to share some feedback, selected feedback about the previous batches, where I have taken this particular session. So what is the outcome is, overall, how satisfied were you with this particular webinar or course? So 57.7% say that they are satisfied, while 38.5% say that they are very satisfied. So almost more than 90% people are saying that they are highly satisfied with the course. And in the subject content also, see, you can see that the 38.5% say it is too simple, 30.8% little simple, and 30.8 say it is just right. Okay, so almost all of them feel that the content is easy to understand. And there are total 26 responses that I have received so far. Rather, I have trained more than that people, but the people who have submitted the responses are 26. Then time availability for practice. Then you can see here, more than 90% say that the time availability is more than required, or it is as per the requirement. So 65% say that the time availability for practice is as per the requirement. And how likely that you would recommend this particular course to your friend or colleague. So you can see that more than 80% of the people are saying that we would like to recommend this particular course to our friends as well as colleagues. So this is the feedback from the previous